Okay, as I'm recording right now, the whole market is taking a massive dip. What we mean by a massive dip is a 10% dip in 20-30 minutes, which is considered a dip by any account. But before we start, give the video a like, because we'll talk about is this the bottom, everything you need to know about Dogecoin right now, the whole situation, massive support level, major support level, major resistance levels, what I think big money is doing, and why this video is not financial advice. Let's start. And I know my hair might be, vital and Burek-like, but I don't have 1 bill worth of Ethereum, neither does he. And I've recorded a bunch of videos for you so far, and that's why I literally woke up at 5, 6, 7 a.m. And started recording. So, is this the bottom? We just saw a massive decline in an RSI of 15 and 8. Bitcoin was at an RSI of 8. If you're already wondering, am I buying the dip? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I bought a FTM and Dent as well. I've got some alarms on them. I managed to place some shorts. I've talked about it in this video, so I managed to catch part of the dip and then managed to hold the whole, to catch the whole way down. I knew that this dip was going to happen. I talked about the South African ban, the 3.6 bill scam that happened. So this was the major reason on why the situation happened. So Bitcoin is crashing. We did the live stream. Tether news, that was bad. Shiba news, we've got some good Shiba news. But let's talk about Dogecoin today. So the main reason Dogecoin is crashing right now is BTC. And we are at an okay support level at 23 cents. But let's consider the main support levels for Dogecoin, and let's start with the fundamental analysis. Dogecoin is looking at a head and shoulders pattern. It did, and it did confirm it. It was a head and shoulders pattern. Any way you look at it, let me draw it for you. Head and shoulders pattern. This is it, and this is why after we broke here, we're going down. The issue Dogecoin is facing right now is an issue of breaking the 16-cent support. If we actually break the 16-cent support level, we are in trouble. We are actually in big trouble if that happens. And I'll explain why. 16 cents is the major support level. Whales managed to buy it every time we dipped it. We got it twice on this 22nd of June, and on another date, 21st and 22nd of June, we dipped to 16 cents. And we're holding it. As you can see, this is a major support area. I'm just saying prices as well, because some of you guys on the live stream told me that you can't really see the prices because you are using an iPhone or a phone or mobile device. Would I buy Dogecoin at 23 cents? This is the first question I will answer. Maybe. Not very high volume though. I would buy some because we are at some support level here, short term at the 22 cents area. But I would buy most of my Dogecoin if we dip to 16 cents. It's really interesting that BTC dipped to 30K again, but Dogecoin didn't dip that much. This is a good sign. So in my opinion, we're forming a small bottom right here. And the only reason I believe so, and again, this video is no financial advice, is because we didn't dip as much as BTC, because BTC went to 35K, 36K 2 days ago. And then I said, guys, this is a dead cat bounce. I said it, I called it out. I said, guys, this is a dead cat bounce. And I was exactly right. Where is it? Bitcoin, dead cat bounce. 1 day ago. But it's not 1 day ago, it's 2 days ago. I don't know why it's saying 1 day ago. It was a dead cat bounce. It was spot on. It was just, I think it's 36 hours ago or something. That's why it says 1 day ago. But I called it out at the peak. I said, guys, this is a dead cat bounce. Be very careful. And I'm sad to say I was right. I managed to place a short when I said that. And that was the reason I could, hedge some of my long, my holding positions. My portfolio isn't that bad, actually. I'm down 2% from, a major dip from a 10 15% high. Because I managed to hedge with some shorts along the way. So that's really good. I'm talking about 2% in, from these whole dips that happened. The 20% dips. I managed to hedge, a huge amount of the dips in the meantime. And I might actually come back on top right now because I've got some longs placed. If this 30K holds, we're good. So I think this is the bottom. I don't think we'll hit 16K. If we hit 16K, it's very important that we hold. If we break 16K, the next support area is actually at 8 cents, which is really bad. It's at 8 cents, and I'll tell you why. Because this is a breakout pattern. Always trade breakout patterns, and they really support the previous resistance line is now a support line, right? So people started to take profits here, which is interesting. It was a massive upside here. I'll also place this as a support and resistance area that we should always respect. I'll have it on my chart forever on the daily chart. This isn't a major support or resistance area, just temporary one. I think this is the bottom, and I think Dogecoin has some future. And the whole community right now is pretty positive. The issue with Doge is the dominance is still high. It went down a little bit, which is interesting. It was 47-ish. Now it's down a little bit, which is good. If we can actually get the dominance down, meme coins will start being pumped, Shiba and Doge. The issue with Doge is Shiba and Kishu Inu and Jindu Inu are very good competitors in terms of the meme communities also supporting them. Shiba Army is a very strong army. And with all the news around it, NASCAR, Shiba Swap, Coinbase listing, eToro listing, massive news for Shiba Swap. Let's check some Dogecoin news and the Reddit now. By the way, if you want to buy Doge with low fees and support the channel, I've actually partnered up with Bybit. I'm sponsored by them, and I told them, look, she's called May, the lead that I have from Bybit. Look, May, I need something special. If I'm going to be sponsored by Bybit, I need to offer something special for my subscribers that's low volume and that has to have Dogecoin. So they have Dogecoin for a month now, actually 2 weeks, on Bybit. And if you deposit using my link in the description down below, for Bybit, you get a bonus. Check it out. You can buy Dogecoin there with the highest leverage possible, but definitely be careful with leverage range when it comes to Dogecoin. With Dogecoin, I can send a friend in India or China $100 in under 60 seconds, and the coins to 25 cents. By the way, this is way better than Bitcoin, where you will be paying a lot for fees. Not Western Union, no the bank wire, not even Venmo, Cash App. Do you know how? For example, I have an e-commerce business that is, let me just give you an example of how it works. It's for digital currencies in games. So I use websites like Player Actions. I have like 7,000 feedback here and thousands of feedback on other platforms. And the way this works is we also have a website, live chat. People pay us with crypto now. They also use PayPal and Stripe and all that jazz, but crypto is best because no chargebacks. Before, for larger volumes, like 10 years ago when I was, 18 years old, 17, 16, I still sold gold on these games and accounts. And I had to use Western Union for, higher transactions because of the chargeback risk. Now, we're paying like 10% in fees, and I was losing on that. For example, I'll make 15% of something. I lose 60% of that on fees. From 50% profit, pay 10% in fees, 5% for me. What is that? Nothing. Western Union makes more money than me. If we had Dogecoin at the time, that was going to be great, right? So platforms like Player Action, the only reason they're alive is because they help you not get charged back. Like they cover the risk for you. They ask a bunch of questions. I'm not going to check Niki anymore. This is one of my Binance accounts. What else do we have to talk about? With Dogecoin, I can send a friend. Yeah, check real time. That's a promoted post. This is cute. Today was his last day on Earth. Oh, he was my wife's childhood dog and lived 98 Doge years. About him. He's so cute. This girl looks like Mark Zuckerberg. Doge girl for life. Where are all the female holders at? Sometimes it feels like a boys club. Okay. Sold some Doge to give this girl a forever home. Oh, no way. This is so cool. Selling Doge to buy Doge. Yeah, everyone must be trolling us. Doge Kings who bought at 5 euros during crypto winter. Oh, 5 cents. Oh, yeah. They're still profitable. It's all a matter of timing. When did you manage to buy? When you bought in early and you're still holding for the 70 cents buyers, because that's what heroes do. My man Greg is on the pools. Doge is here. You can buy Dogecoin. Buy Federal. Yeah, SHIB is kind of like Doge but better. And Doge is... Look at what Doge would do. But this is an issue for Doge, right? SHIB is taking over. And let me know if you in the comments, are you a Doge owner that also holds Shiba? And if so, how did you diversify this portfolio? If you want to buy Shiba, use Binance. By the way, if you're wondering, they have the lowest fees to buy Shiba Inu. It's super easy. If you're in the United States, Gate.io works fine, in my opinion. If the video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you next one.